In this video, we're going to talk about how do you convert a single photo, a selfie, into a realistic talking avatar in just seconds. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this. All right, the tool we're going to use is called HeyGen. It's one of the best AI video tools out there, and they have a brand new feature which not many people know about. It can take a selfie, a boring selfie, and then make a realistic video in just few clicks. So let me log into my dashboard and show you the brand new feature from HeyGen. So I'm logged into my account, and here you go. It's Avatar 4, most advanced. A single photo and script becomes a lifelike talking avatar, and you can use your picture, humans, aliens, pets, anything you imagine, right? So once you log in, you're gonna click on, here is the option. You're gonna click on photo to video with Avatar 4. Click on this, and then all you have to do, you can use one of these samples. These are just images, just selfies. So you can take any selfie. Look at this, it could be any selfie. I'm actually gonna use my own. So let me click here and then take this amazing selfie of myself. And then this is where you are gonna type the script. You can type it, you can also upload the audio, or you can record the audio. Or if you just wanna test it, you can click on surprise me and use one of these. I'm actually gonna use this script right here. And then from the bottom, select your voice. So I've already created my voice inside. I've created a clone of my voice inside HeyGen. If you want to create a clone of your voice, click here, and then you can create your own clone. This is my clone.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice.
So I'm going to use that. And then here's another really cool feature. If you click here, click on Avatar 4.1, which is going to add dynamic gestures with additional prompting control. So you can add different type of gestures, movements, to make your video, your realistic talking video, even better, right? So that's even awesome. You can add details here. If you leave it blank, it's just gonna do it automatically. And then you're gonna click on, you can select the 720 or 1080p, whichever one you want, and then you're gonna click on generate video. I've already created a video, so let me actually show that to you. It's gonna take just a few minutes, and then here is the exact video that I've created. And now, let me play this for you, and you can see how realistic this is. You look at the movements of the mouth, and then also, I don't think it shows the hand movement, but it gets pretty close.
Hey, I don't care how many AI tools you know. It's not about the tool, it's about how you use the tools. If you don't have a good strategy, you will not grow.
Amazing. So from one selfie and a simple script, it's a realistic. You can use it in your projects, you can use it on your social media, you can use it on your ads. So all those different tools that create UGC or AI ads, guess what? You can use your own selfies or selfies of your team member. You can create AI avatars and then use those. But realistically, Avatar 4 converts a photo into a video with a realistic movement. That's the beauty of this brand new feature of HeyGen. And I'm gonna have a link below in the description. You can go check it out. Yes, it is my affiliate link, but you can tell why I love this tool. I've created a lot of AI videos using this. It's one of my go-to tools for AI video generation. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this, and now I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.